Hi, I'm David Wilton, Director of TPAS, and I'd just like to say thank you on behalf of TPAS to all the wonderful tenants, landlords, officers, everyone who's taken part in our national conversation this week. We've had 5 great events across Wales, in north, south, west. I'm just finishing off here in Carmarthen, and there's been some great debates, some interesting discussions, a bit like a family. We've talked, we've debated how tenant participation can be done better in the future and what they'd like to see from TPAS, and I've got a lot to think about now and a lot of great ideas. It pleases me that there's so many things going on in the sector. It pleases me that there's so many people who want to see great tenant participation in Wales and want to see TPAS go forward. So thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr to everybody who's been involved this week, and a big thank you to Family Housing Association for this wonderful facility here, Petref Cynnes, and for allowing us to have this final meeting. Thank you.